Okay. If you're watching this, either I'm about to die or I just met an actual angel. Like, legit. So I was just here trying to thresh some wheat in a wine press. Because, you know, Midianite raiders exist and I like being alive. And suddenly, boom, this glowing guy shows up under a tree. And he says, quote, "The Lord is with you, mighty warrior." Me? Mighty? Bro, I flinched when a goat sneezed yesterday. This can't be real. I told him, if God's really with us, why are we getting stomped by camel-riding thugs every harvest? Like, seriously, where's the backup? And you know what he said? Go in the strength you have. Like, what strength? I'm in a grape hole. Then I gave him my resume. Weakest tribe, smallest clan, youngest kid, literal nobody status. And this guy just stares at me like, yeah, I pick you anyway.
Why?
What if he sees something I don't? What if he knows something about me I haven't figured out yet? You ever feel too weak for what God's asking, but too scared not to at least try? Okay, I'm gonna ask for a sign. Just one. Or like 3. Tops. Don't judge me. Anyway, stay tuned. Either I fight an army with 300 guys and a trumpet, or I hide in this wine press forever. We'll see. Shalom for now, and pray for me.
Oh, we're back. Same spot. New experiment. I just asked God for a weather-based miracle.
Okay, so I laid this fleece out on purpose. Told God, if he really wants me to lead Israel, make the fleece wet, but the ground dry. Guys, it worked. I wrung out like a whole bowl from just this ground, bone dry. And now I feel awful because I'm about to ask again. I know. But like, what if it was a fluke? Morning dew logic? Sheep sweat. I need, like, reverse proof. So now I'm praying. This time, make the fleece dry, but the ground soaking. Because apparently my faith is fleece-based and running on 2 miracles minimum. You ever believe but also triple check like you're talking to a shady merchant? I'm not trying to test God. I just don't want to get people killed if I'm wrong. What if he really did choose me? What if the sign isn't for him, it's for my scared little heart? Anyway, that's the prayer. I'll check in the morning. Please, Yahweh, I want to believe you picked the right guy. Okay, sneaking into the enemy camp. Not my idea. God said it'd encourage me. They have camels, plural. They have torches, swords, way more than 300 guys. I brought clay jars and anxiety. One of them just said he had a dream. Something rolled into their camp and flattened a tent. He sounded spooked. I couldn't hear it all, but it was about bread. Like literal barley bread. That's what knocked the tent down. So I guess I'm bread now. That's me. Gideon, the loaf of divine destruction.
But here's the crazy part. The other guy said that bread dream meant me. That Israel's already won.
They're scared. The enemy is already afraid of what God might do. Not even what we've done yet. You ever need a sign and then realize God was already working behind the scenes the whole time?
It's time. We're gonna surround them. 3 groups. Torches in jars. Trumpets in hand.
And then we shout. Smash. Scare them so bad they run over their own campfires.
Pray with me. It's not my strength. It's his. But I'm ready to obey. It's done. The army ran. God did exactly what he said. But I didn't expect it to feel like this. I thought victory would be loud, glorious. But right now, it just feels silent. You ever win something and feel more shaken than when you were afraid? This is what's left. Clay. That's all we were holding. And it worked. Because it wasn't about me. And now people are coming. They're cheering. They want to crown me. Make me ruler. Me, the guy from the grape hole. You ever wonder if success is a test, too? Like, God lifts you up just to see if you'll remember who lifted you? I know who won this. I know whose name brought fear. And it wasn't mine. God doesn't need warriors. He needs listeners. People who obey when it feels dumb, risky, unreasonable. So don't wait to feel ready. Don't wait to feel strong. If God calls, go with what you have.
So, we're back. Same spot. New experiment. I'm trying not to sound crazy, but...
Then I gave him my resume. Weakest tribe. Smallest clan. Youngest kid. Literal nobody status.
So, we're back. Same spot. New experiment. I just asked God for a weather-based miracle.
Okay, so I laid this fleece out on purpose. Told God, if he really wants me to lead Israel, make the fleece wet, but the ground dry. Because apparently my faith is fleece-based and running on 2 miracles minimum. So now I'm praying. This time, make the fleece dry, but the ground soaking. Do you ever believe? But also triple check like you're talking to a shady merchant?
Okay. If you're watching this, either I'm about to die, or I just met an actual angel. Like, legit.
I'm not trying to test God, I just... don't want to get people killed if I'm wrong.